Today we are about to pick some praline candy, pecan candy, whatever you want to call it. This is what you're going to need. 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of condensed milk, and 1 stick of butter. A tablespoon of vanilla flavor. And I like to keep a can of evaporated milk on hand just in case my candy gets too thick. And we are about to get started. I'm going to take my condensed milk and I'm going to put it in here as so. And I'm going to add my 1 cup of sugar. And that's all we have in here. And I'm going to let this cook and cook and cook. Make sure you keep stirring. Can't go off and leave it uncooked. It'll scorch. Then you have to start all over again. And while I'm doing this, I'm going to go ahead and butter my paper that I'm going to put my candy on. So when my candy starts cooking, that'll already be done. Okay guys, we've been at this for about 10-12 minutes. And as you can see, our milk is getting a little thicker. Getting a little thicker. In a little bit, I'm going to add my butter. And I'm going to add my pecans and my flavor. And that's it. 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of pecans, and 1 cup of condensed milk. And make sure you have you a nice thick skillet or a thick pot that can handle this heat, because this stuff is hot. You ready? Mm-hmm. You? Mm-hmm. You on? Mm-hmm. Okay. All right, I'm about to put my pecans in here. And I'm about to add my flavor. And my butter. You can come see. I'm about to put my butter in here. Now it doesn't matter whether you put your butter in beginning, middle, or end. However you want to do it or however you feel comfortable. Some people put theirs at the beginning, some people put theirs at the end. When the sides start getting a little crusty, you know we're about to come to an end. See that? All right, we're about to add our flavor. You see it boiling in between there? It's about to be ready. And 1 tablespoon of vanilla flavor. See those bubbles in between there? It's about to be ready time. And you see our color changed. It was light. Now it's a caramel color. I'm going to give it 1 more minute. And we're about to take it out and put it on the foil. As it gets thick and you can't hardly move it without the bubbles, it's time to take it out. Here we go, we're about to take it out. And I have my foil already buttered. And I'm gonna spread it. You can put it individual. You can spread it however you want to do it. It's your choice. You can make them individual. Or you can spread the whole thing and then just cut it. Okay guys, and here we are. This is our finished product. We have approximately 12 pieces of pecan candy. And this is what we have. You can break it. You can halven it. That's your consistency. And we have one of our little taste testers. Let's see what we have. You like pecan candy?
Thanks for watching, and you make sure you comment, like, and subscribe.